Hey mamas, today we're doing a little get productive with me moment. Between managing my projects and staying on top of my game, I always make time for my pumping routine. First things first, check out my gear. I'm obsessed with this manual pump. Phase 1, the activation. I start with these quick, light trigger squeezes. Think of it like a quick warm-up before a workout. We're just waking up the flow. About 60 seconds of this and we're ready for the real work. Phase 2, the deep expression. Once I see the milk flowing, I switch to long, powerful, intentional presses. I press, hold for a beat, really maximizing that output, and release. It's all about the rhythm, girls. If you feel the flow dropping, don't stress. Just go back to phase 1. And boom, look at that abundance. We love to see it. That's what I call a successful session. My body is literally an icon for doing all this. That's it for today's mini guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're vibing with me. Stay glowing, besties. Hi, sweet angel. I was just sitting here feeling so cozy in my little bubble, and I thought, why not film a little pumping diary for you? Look at my tiny pocket bestie. She's so petite and chic, right? I'm honestly so over the bulky electric ones. This manual pump is my absolute hyper fixation. First, we start with the butterfly whispers. Just tiny, teeny tiny little taps on the handle. Don't even press it all the way. We're just flirting with the flow, waking everything up so gently. Once the first drops start to sparkle, we move to the deep soul squeeze. Instead of being fast, we go super, super slow. Press it down like you're pressing a flower into a book. Hold it for a heartbeat and then let it breathe. It's all about that slow motion energy. If you feel a bit tired, just switch hands. It's like a mini workout, but make it fashion. And oh my gosh, look, we literally have a whole bottle of stars right here. My body is such a queen for this, I can't even. That's my little routine. Thank you for being here and sharing this sweet moment with me. I hope your day is as bright and lovely as you are. Remember, you're doing amazing and you've got this. Love you to bits. Hey, let's cut the fluff. I'm Marie, and today I am showing you exactly how I handle my manual pumping. My manual pump is the only tool I need. It's compact, it's reliable, and it puts me in total control. No tech distractions, no assembly. Just a straightforward tool for a straightforward goal. Start with light, rapid pulses to trigger the response. You're not guessing, you're telling your body exactly what to do. Keep it rhythmic. Once the flow starts, switch to deep, steady compressions. I hold for a full second at the apex of the squeeze. That's the power flow. It's about precision, not speed. Consistency is what creates volume. Don't just sit there, actively manage the flow. If you feel a decrease, adjust your angle. It's a hands-on process, and mastering it means Look at the output, consistent, effective, and finished. I've done what I needed to do and I'm ready to move on. That's the routine. Master your rhythm, own your time, and the results follow. No filler, just results. See you. Hey babes, it's Mari, and today I'm gonna show you my little manual pumping routine step by step. We're keeping it cozy, soft, and super relaxed today, so come hang out with me for a bit. If you wanna see more exclusive content for you, check link below. First, here's the hand pump I'm using today. I really like this one because it's simple, cute, and honestly makes the whole process feel way easier. I gently place the pump onto my breast and adjust it until it feels comfortable and secure. Once everything feels right, I slowly start pressing the handle with soft little squeezes. I like starting nice and slow instead of rushing right away. After a few pumps, I find a smooth rhythm and just keep going naturally. The sound of the pump and seeing the milk slowly collect is honestly so satisfying. I keep a steady pace and continue pumping on one side while staying relaxed the whole time. Sometimes I pause for a second, reposition the pump a tiny bit, and continue again. Little by little, the bottle starts filling up, and I swear it's the cutest, most rewarding thing to watch. And here's the final milk collected in the jar. Super happy with how much we got today. Love that for us. Thank you for spending this cozy little moment with me today, babes. I hope this video felt relaxing and comforting for you. Don't forget to take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.